Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I have started a personal DSA challenge where I am solving 5 problems per pattern, covering 180 problems in total. I'll be posting one video per day explaining my thought process from brute force to optimized approach. If you're new here, you can check out the previous videos to follow along. In today's video, we will work on merge intervals. So the problem states that we are given an array of integer intervals where each interval is represented as start and end. Your task is to merge all the overlapping intervals and return an array of merged intervals. For example, if you see this example number 1, these are the intervals provided. So this starts from 1 and ends at 3, and this starts at 2, which means it is overlapping this. So this starts at 1 and this ends at 6, like we can merge it like that. And then after 6, it starts at 8, so there is no merging. So and after this, between 10 and 15 there is some gap, so it is also not merging, so we can straight away take this 8 and 10 and 15 and 18, so that would be our output. So since the intervals 1 3 and 2 6 overlap, we merge them into 1 comma 6. So the idea for brute force approach is we will compare each interval with every other interval. If two intervals overlap, then we will merge them, and we will repeat this process until no more overlapping exists in the given intervals. So for this we need to check the end of the previous interval should be, if the end of the previous interval is greater than the start of the next interval, then that means it is overlapped. So let's write up the code. Since it is expecting an array as the output, let's consider it as a array list. Maybe we can take list of integers. List of integers. Right, now let's take a for loop and let's start it from 0 till the length of the given interval. Intervals dot length I plus plus, and now so in each interval the first one is the start and the second one is the end. So let's take two variables, start and end, and it would be intervals of I of 0. The first one is start and the second one is end. So end would be intervals of I of 1. Now let's loop from I plus 1th index till the end of the array. Dot length j plus plus. Now we are just checking if the current intervals, since we started from I plus 1, so j loop starts from here and I loop starts from here. Now we are comparing this start and this end. So intervals of j of 0, which is 2, is less than or equals to end, this one, and intervals of j of 1 is greater than or equals to start. Okay, these are the two conditions that we need to take care. Then if it is, then we will update the start and end variables. Start and intervals of j of 0, because 0 is the start and let's update the end with a maximum value. Math dot max of end and the intervals of j of 1. Now I took list over here because we never know we never know how many intervals needs to be merged. So I took list first and then we will convert into array. I'll add this start and end, that is it, and at the end we will convert it into array and then we will return. We will convert this list into array as new int of size list. And the second one, the column length could be anything. Yeah, that is it. Let's run the code. Okay. Something went wrong. I plus 1 j of 0